Okay, we got to figure out what the A, the B, the values are for A, B, and C. And the way we're going to do that is to multiply both sides by the LCD. And the LCD is fairly simple to look at. I'm kind of looking at it. LCD is simply just x minus 1 times x plus 2 squared. Well, if you multiply the left side, you can get 3x minus 9. I'm multiplying by the LCD, by the way. Then you get A. One of the factors of x plus 2 would disappear. So let's off at x minus 1, x plus 2, plus b. The x minus 1 would disappear. You'd be left with that x plus 2 squared, plus c. The factor of x plus 2 squared would disappear, and you're left with the factor x minus 1. I'm going to pick a number that's easy for me. I'm going to say 1 would be the simplest number for me. What do you get there? 3 minus 9, that's the left side, which is minus 6, equals, okay, if I chose 1, 2 terms disappear, the term involving the A and the C, and we left off with b times 3 squared, which is 9b. Fairly simple. The b is going to be equal to minus 6/9, or minus 2/3. All right, so they went from the A, B, and the C, and I found the B. And let's go for the another one now, okay? So let's take x equals, well, I'm going to say minus 2. And let's see what happens. On the left side, you would get minus 6 minus 9, which is minus 15. And let's be careful about this. There's 2 terms that disappear, the term involving the A and the B. But for the C, what do I get? Well, if I chose minus 2, I'd get minus 3c. And that means the C is the number 5. Now someone says, how are you going to get the other values, the value for A? I'll pick another number. And I kind of exhausted the really simple ones, picking 1 and minus 2. I'm going to pick x to be 0 now. It's a simple number. What do you get? Well, on the left side, you can get minus 9. On the right side, if I chose the 0, I would get minus 1 times 2, which is minus 2a. But then I got the b to worry about. And what do I get? The b is minus 2/3. And the x is 0, so I get 4. This is more complicated. Plus c. I don't know what, oh, no, I do. C is 5. And then I've got 0. 0 minus 1 is minus 1. Let's go through this. Minus 9 equals minus 2a. This was going to give me minus 8/3. And it's going to give me minus 5. I'm going to multiply both sides by 3. You get minus 27. Again, I'm multiplying by 3. Minus 6a. Minus 8. Minus 15. Minus 27. Minus 6a. Minus 23. I'm going to add 23 to both sides. I would get minus 4 equals minus 6a. And I think I'm pretty confident that I can tell you what a is now. It's going to be 4, 6, or 2/3. All right? Let me get my, my circles out. I'm going to circle this answer. They did ask for it. They asked for this, and they asked for this. Let's just check it with the k. But I am going to rewrite the fraction, by the way. So a is 2/3. We're good there. The b is minus 2/3. We're good there. And the c is 5. I do want to rewrite it. And let's go through that one step at a time. Well, the a is 2/3. So I'll write that down. 2/3 over x plus 2. Plus b. What's the b? Oh, b is minus 2/3. So minus 2/3 over x minus 1 plus c. C is 5. So it's 5 over x plus 2 squared. I'm going to clean that up a little tiny bit. The first term I'm looking at, multiply top and bottom by 3. You get 2, 3x plus 6. The next term, I'm going to multiply top and bottom by 3. You still get 2, and you get 3x minus 3. Last term, nicely written, is 5 over x plus 2 squared. And we're done. Thank you.